Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Friendship Circle filter in Snapchat. First, ensure your Snapchat application is updated to the latest version for optimal performance and access to all features. This filter is a fun way to visualize your closest connections, showing your top 8 best friends in a unique circular graphic. It's a great tool for understanding your social interactions within the app and celebrating those special bonds. Let's dive into the steps to activate and enjoy this engaging feature. To find the Friendship Circle filter, start by opening your Snapchat application and navigating to the camera screen. Look for the smiley face icon located right next to the large circular shutter button at the bottom of your screen. Tapping this icon will open the Lenses carousel, where you can browse through many different filters. If you don't see it immediately, simply use the search bar at the top of the Lenses section and type Friendship Circle to quickly locate it. Once you've found the Friendship Circle filter, tap on it to apply it to your camera view. The filter will automatically analyze your interactions and display your top 8 best friends within the circular graphic. There's no manual selection needed. Snapchat handles it all for you. You can then capture a photo or record a video with this unique visual, ready to share with your friends or add to your story. It's a simple and engaging way to highlight your closest connections. After you've captured your snap with the Friendship Circle filter, you have several sharing options. You can send it directly to specific friends or add it to your Snapchat story for all your followers to see. Remember, the friends displayed in your circle are determined by your recent interactions, so it can change over time. This feature is a fun, personalized way to celebrate your connections, and your specific circle is always private until you choose to share it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.